Coloured pencils pick my makeup. Let's do it. Face first. Navy blue. It's all downhill from here. Since the last one's the most viewed video on my YouTube channel, I had to do a part 2. Concealer. What? Why yellow? This blend is horrible. Contour. Come on. Red. Can't really get much worse now. I look like an art project. I like it. Picasso. Eyeshadow. Please be a good one. Blue. Oh wait, no, that's purple. Let's do a second eyeshadow shade. Blue. Baby blue first, all over the eyelid. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the big blue house. And purple eyeshadow in the outer corner and the crease. Graphic liner. Baby blue. Don't ask me what's going on here because I really don't know. Eyebrows. Come on. Green. She-Hulk. Lipstick. No. Second shade. It reminds me of lemon and lime. Detail colour. Black. Oh, I think I've ruined it. Who's ready to see the end result? Here's the end result. Be honest, what do you guys think? Is this a cute or a fail? Give this video a thumbs up and comment any other makeup challenges you want me to do. I dare you.